Hello everyone, Jason Gibson here with Opti-Coat with your Optimum Tip of the Week. This week's tip, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your vehicle's glass using Optimum No Rinse. First, we're going to want to start with an Optimum No Rinse slightly dampened towel, and we have the Optimum No Rinse mixed at 1 to 256, so that's ½ ounce per gallon. We're going to start by boxing in the windows, and then as I fill in my windows, I like to do horizontal passes on the interior of the glass. So then on the exterior of the glass, I'm going to do vertical passes. So then I'll be able to tell if I have any streaking or anything, where those streaks are from, if they're on the interior of the glass or if they're on the exterior of the glass. Then after we did that, we're just going to follow with a nice clean dry microfiber towel, box it in the window again, and again doing our horizontal passes. And then if you just can't seem to get the streaks out, you're not satisfied with the way the window looks, you just want to simply use, yes, Opti-Seal. One spray of Opti-Seal to an applicator. Simply box it in, then fill it in. Applying the Opti-Seal to the glass. And this will help remove any streaks, smearing anything you have, and leave a nice clean finish. Then just follow with a nice clean microfiber towel. So there you have it, a quick and easy tip to help you get streak-free glass. So stay tuned for more helpful tips, and until next time, have an optimum day. Optimum Tip of the Week.